Welcome sa Solid Kaas, ang tahanan ng iyong modernong junior high school A&E reviewer. Dito sa ating channel natutupad ang nagdulot na pangarap. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe para sa ating gabi-gabing pagsasanay. Don't forget to check our YouTube shopping shelf below for our highly recommended daily study gear. Let's get straight into today's mock test. Question number 1. Read the passage. In many parts of the Philippines, climate change is actively disrupting traditional farming schedules. Farmers are experiencing unpredicted typhoons that wipe out crops before the harvest season. Local agriculture departments are urging communities to invest in climate-resilient seeds to avoid continuous economic loss. What is the main idea of the passage? Option A. Farming is the highest paying job in the provinces. Option B. Traditional agriculture seeds are better than new ones. Option C. Climate change is causing severe damage and challenges to Philippine farming. Option D. Typhoons only happen during the summer months in Luzon. Para sa ating unang item, tingnan ang pinakapunot dulo ng usapan sa buong talata. Pinag-uusapan ba ang sahod o ang epekto ng climate change sa mga pananim? Isulat ang inyong napiling letra sa papel bago matapos ang ating countdown bar. Question number 2. Read the sentence. The working adult learner felt completely invigorated after taking a quick 20-minute power nap before opening her TEALS review modules. What is the closest meaning of the word invigorated based on context clues? Option A, tired and exhausted. Option B, confused and lost. Option C, filled with energy and life. Option D, angry and disappointed. Clue naman para sa bokabularyo natin sa number 2. Ang student daw ay kumuha ng power nap o maikling tulog. Ano ang mararamdaman mo pagkatapos mong matulog bago mag-aral? Manghihina ka ba o magkakaroong muli ng lakas? Piliin ang tamang letra habang tumatakbo ang ating timer. Question number 3. Read the announcement. To all community members, please follow the local recycling guidelines starting next week. Plastic bottles and tin cans must be washed thoroughly and separated from food waste to ensure an efficient municipal disposal cycle. Who is the primary target audience of this text? Option A, supermarket owners and grocery cashiers. Option B, construction workers and site supervisors. Option C, public school students and principals. Option D, barangay residents and community citizens. Sino nga ba ang kinakausap dito? Clue natin ang pariralang to all community members at ang pag-recycle sa municipal disposal cycle. Para kanino ba ang panuntunang ito sa basura? Isulat ang titik sa inyong papel. Question number 4. Read the passage. The dynamic growth of internet access has completely transformed modern education. Today, students can open educational websites, watch tutorial loops, and read books without leaving their bedrooms. However, this relies heavily on stable infrastructure and cheap electricity. What does the word however signal in the text? Option A, a list of examples in numerical order. Option B, A contrast or limitation to the previous statement. Option C, a summary of a long story. Option D, a direct cause and effect relationship. Ang salitang however o subalit ay isang napakahalagang transition word sa English. Ginagamit ba ito para magbigay ng halimbawa o para magpakita ng limitasyon o harang sa naunang magandang pahayag? Pag-isipan ninyong mabuti habang tahimik na bumababa ang ating visual timer. Question number 5. Read the sentence. The historic building in Old Manila was completely demolished yesterday to make way for a brand new multi-story commercial condominium complex. Which of the following elements make this statement strictly a fact? A. The author loves commercial buildings more than history. B. All buildings look completely ugly inside the modern city. C. The destruction of the historic building actually happened and can be proven. D. Condominiums are the best housing options for urban families. Tandaan natin ang panuntunan sa fact versus opinion. Ang fact ay may patunay at ebidensya. Alin sa mga pagpipilian ang hindi base sa emosyon o opinyon kundi sa totoong pangyayari na naganap na? Piliin ang inyong sagot. Question number 6. Read the passage. The online registration website crash was caused by an unexpected surge of over 10,000 applicants trying to upload the requirements at the exact same hour on Monday morning. According to the passage, what was the primary cause of the website crash? A. The technical support team forgot to plug in the server. B. A massive number of applicants using the system at the same time. C. The registration portal was shut down permanently by DepEd. D. A severe rainstorm disrupted local internet signal towers. Ito ay isang sanhi at bunga o cause and effect pattern. Ang bunga ay nag-crash ang website. Ano naman ang naging dahilan o cause na nakasulat mismo sa talata? Huwag kayong hula ng hula. Hanapin ang susing salita sa teksto. Question number 7. Read the text snippet. Do not let financial problems stop you from completing your secondary track. Our evening vocational courses offer zero tuition fees, free modules, and complete industry certificates. Secure your seat today and transform your future now. What is the primary purpose of the author? A. To inform readers about global inflation records. B. To persuade readers to enroll in the free vocational courses. C. To criticize students who work during the daytime. D. To entertain readers with a fictional story about a worker. Layunin o author's purpose naman ang hinahanap natin. May mga bulalas or exclamation marks sa dulo tulad ng secure your seat today at transform your future now. Nang iengganyo ba siya o nagkukwento lang ng pabula? Isulat ang letra. Question number 8. Read the passage. The librarian walks slowly through the quiet aisle, arranging thick encyclopedias on the palace wooden shelves. The soft ticking of the grandfather clock and the faint scent of old paper filled the peaceful room. Which sensory detail is highlighted by the ticking of the grandfather clock? A. Sense of touch. B. Sense of sight. C. Sense of hearing. D. sense of taste. Tungkol ito sa ating 5 pandama o sensory detail. Ang susing salita natin ay ticking o ang tunog ng lumang orasan. Aling pandama ang gumagana kapag nakakarinig tayo ng tunog? Ilista ang inyong hula sa scratch paper. Question number 9. Read the passage. One saw the dark, heavy clouds gathering overhead and noticed the streetlights automatically turning on early. He immediately ran inside the house, closed all the glass windows, and reached for the emergency flashlight on the kitchen table. What can you infer about one's actions? A. He is preparing to go to sleep early. B. He thinks a heavy thunderstorm or rain is coming. C. He is trying to fix the electricity wires of the house. D. He wants to play games outside in the dark backyard. Mag-inference o maghinuha tayo batay sa mga ikinilos ni Juan. May dark heavy cloud at kumuha siya ng emergency flashlight. Anong uri ng lagay ng panahon ang inaasahan niyang darating kaya siya naghanda? Isulat ang inyong sagot. Question number 10. Read the statement. Online mobile video games are the most absolute waste of time in human history, and any teenager who plays them will definitely fail in real life. What does this statement demonstrate? A. A balanced and scientific data report. B. A strong personal bias or opinion. C. A historical textbook fact. A. A mathematical equation rule. Narito ang huling tanong para sa part 1. Gumamit ang may akda na matitinding salita tulad ng absolute most weights at definitely fail. Patas ba ang kanyang ulat at ito ay nagpapakita ng labis na personal bias o sariling galit? I-comment ang inyong mga hula mula question 1 hanggang 10 sa ibaba ngayon. Huwag kayong mahiya dahil walang maling hula sa nag-aaral. Abangan bukas ng alas 9 ng umaga ang part 2 para sa ating full automated answer solutions. See you tomorrow morning. Solid ka, Als. Salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli.